Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl. As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Amanda Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous reddish brown curly wig unit in 250 density. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit and it is in 26 inches. This color complements my skin tone so well, and I am loving the texture of this hair. You guys, I speak more about this hair in the end, so stay tuned for that. But as for right now, I'm going to just show you guys how to do this quick and easy glueless install. Yes, this unit is 100% glueless. I'm trying to find my comb. 100% glueless. I have a comb right here, and I can put that up under my unit just like so, because this unit is literally something you can take off and put on. I'm just loving the versatility, so definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links out in the description box, and let's jump into today's tutorial with Amanda Hair. You had it, you lost all the time. I can buy a belly, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never had your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the flip bar. In the sky, I'm a good star. I don't fall in love, cause I be living hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a large. I don't care how it comes to ghost. 2 kids and 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' use, tight. Type of money you gon' use, right. From the whole type of money make you feel right. Type of money she gon' let you put it in, right. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana, go yard, bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Do a birthday party and a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know did it shining like a trillion. Yeah, so dope ahead cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take smile. Bank account on some tile. Attitude on some you do. Bankroll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' use, tight. Type of money you gon' use, right. From the whole type of money make you feel right. Type of money she gon' let you put it in, right. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls is after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more college cap, but Nick, I'm rare as affordable healthcare. I'm born to wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' use, tight. Type of money you gon' use, right. From the whole type of money make you feel right. Type of money she gon' let you put it in, right.
so good to make a tear fall. Prancing around and now the lid talk. When you're not around, I go through withdrawals. Withdrawals without draws, don't matter, darling, I take it all, shit.
So this gorgeous unit is actually from Amanda Hair. As you guys saw throughout the video, they went ahead and sent me their 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. It is a reddish brown curly unit, and it is in 250 density and 26 inches. She is nice and thick, full and long. I'm living for the pattern of this curly hair. It is everything. It is the perfect summertime curl, and girl, it is very much hot outside, so this works perfectly. I'm loving the curls. They are life, and the length of this 26 inches is giving 26 inches. Like, you know, you'll have some curly units because of how tight the curl pattern is, it tends to shrink up and you don't get that, you know, like true to length type of vibe. This curly hair definitely has it. This 26 inches definitely giving 26 inches, and I'm loving this hair. 10 out of 10 for me. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links for this wig will be in the description box for you to go ahead and purchase, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.